Hello, today we're gonna do a chocolate fudge cake, and I take cocoa 1/5 and piece of cottage cheese, and I will link all the ingredients in this description. Then, if you have cocoa, but I have sweet cocoa here, so if you don't sweet, to be more healthier if you take salt and cocoa, raw cocoa. Then we have salt. So then we have 1 egg in this. Blend it together. Now I have a bigger form, and so do a smaller glass plate or something. So then when you look it like so or more like that, then you're done. Then in oven you go to 200 degrees and 20 minutes in the oven, and different time if you are in Sweden or other country like UK and USA. So check it out. We're gonna take it out now, this way. Så nu är den klar. Done.